Hey friends, this is the Beard Hedger made by Manscaped. And there's one reason why this is now my #1 favorite beard trimmer. There's a ton of features and a ton of really cool things to like about this, but again, one feature has really stood out for me. Now, that feature is not that it came in this really nice case, which is really cool. That feature is not that it's fully rechargeable using this USB-C cable. That feature is not even the fact that it feels really good and really nice in your hand. Here is that feature. Basically, you have a single guard that you can dial in. Basically, down here, you can move this wheel to the specific trim length that you want. And as you can see, that head moves up and down as I spin that wheel. This alone is the feature that I absolutely love. This thing works really incredible. And most importantly, I don't have a ton of all these accessories to deal with when I'm trimming my beard. In fact, this is one of my other trimming kits, and you can see it's just absolutely ridiculous the amount of heads that you have. Again, these get lost all of the time. So there you go, friends. That is the Beard Hedger by Manscaped. Definitely my favorite beard trimming tool I've ever owned. Go check it out right here on Amazon.